The American Sanders Stair Climber Accessory Kit makes it safe and easy for one person to transport the Legend belt sander up and down stairs on the job site. Let's look at how this works. The Legend is engineered to separate the motor from the frame without the use of tools. The Stair Climber Accessory Kit includes a dolly and a transport handle. To transport the motor, simply attach the dolly to the transport handle and then connect the dolly assembly to the motor. The Stair Climber dolly is designed to reduce the risk of damage to stair treads and the risk of back injury when used correctly. To transport the frame, attach the dolly to the quick-release connectors on the front of the frame. Then, rotate the frame onto the dolly, and you're ready to move the frame up or down the stairs safely and efficiently. Order the Legend Stair Climber Accessory Kit from your local American Sanders distributor or purchase online at americansanders.com. Want to demo the Legend and the Stair Climber on your job site? Just contact your regional American Sanders manager or call 800-367-3550 today.